Good morning, students. In this video class, I will cover the logics behind deleting a node from a linked list. Deletion of a node is an primitive operation that is usually done on linked list, and during this, we have to release the memory allocated for the node. The reason is that the node is created dynamically. So whenever we are deleting a node, that means the memory allocated for that node must be released. And while deleting the or releasing the memory, we should take care about the other nodes pointers. So if we simply remove a node, that simply splits a linked list into two hanging lists. So that means here is we have to be careful about deleting a node from the linked list. Deletion of a node can be done at the beginning, at the end, and also at the intermediate position. Not only these three, there are other several possible combination of deletion operations are there. So I'm just covering only these three possible methods. Others are well documented in other reference study materials, also available in YouTube videos. I will go for deleting a node at the beginning of the list. The steps are very simple. First, you check whether the list is empty. If list is empty, then simply check the start pointer, and if it is equal to null, then display the message empty list or any other relevant message that is suitable for your task. If the list is not empty, then the start pointer, for example here is pictorially I am representing linked list like this, and here is the start pointer, and if it contains some nodes, then start pointer will have the address of the first node. So the case here is list is not empty. If that is the case, then store the address of the first node in temp pointer variable. So that means here this is the node 1, is the node 1. At one instance it has two pointers pointing it. One is here is temp pointer, that is also pointing the first node, and start is also pointing first node. So at this step I have two pointers which is pointing to first node. So it's like this. Now in the second step, start next, that means start is pointing to the first node. The first node's next pointer is pointing to second node, that is assigned in the start. So earlier it must and should be 600, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ 600 is the memory address that is stored in start. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 600 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Now I will assign start next. Start ಅಂದ್ರೆ first node, other next field is point to second node, and second node's address is 100, that is assigned. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ second field in the first node is assigned to start again. ಅಂದ್ರೆ it will be updated. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 600 ಇರೋದು ಈಗ 100 ಆಗಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. So that means here is start is pointing to second node. So now I made the start pointer such that it is pointing to second node. After this I will deallocate the memory allocated for the first node, and that first node's address is available in temp. Since I am using the free function, this entire object will be removed from the memory. So after this step, start will be pointing to the second node. Now this will become the first node. So Just go through the steps repeatedly, then you will understand it much better. I will go for the C code for implementing this logic. So this is the source code in C language. You can implement the logic in any of your favorite programming language. Observe here, in this function delete at beginning, I am declaring a temp variable of the type struct node. If start equals to null, start pointer, which is a external pointer, stores the address of the first node. First node illa antantandre our linked list is empty. That means start is equal to null. So this completes our first possible case of deletion at the beginning. If the node contains, if the start pointer contains some address, then the start will not be null, so it will go to else part. So the second external pointer is initialized with the content of start pointer. So that means here is first node has two pointer, one is start, next one is temp. ಇದು ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಮುಂದೆ ಫೈನಲ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ ಮೆಮೊರಿಯನ್ನ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಅದರ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟೆಂಪ್. ಸೊ ಟೆಂಪ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ದ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್. Afterwards, I will store the second node's address, that is next node address, which is readily available in the next field of the first node, that is identified by start pointer, and that is updated in itself. Really start nalli nanu next field in address ತಂದಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ. So now start pointer is pointing to second node. Observe here is at this point temp is pointing to first node and start is pointing to second node. Now I will remove the text data allocated for the first node that is available in temp by using the built-in function free. So free temp. So now first node has been removed and start is pointing to the second node. So after that second node will become the first node in the linked list. So this is for deleting a node at the beginning of the linked list. Now we'll go for deleting a node at the end of the linked list. Here is the logic is almost same as the inserting node at the end. Only the difference that I need two pointers here. If the list is empty, so that means here is if start is equal to null, then display the empty message. If it is not empty, then move to the last node. Adar last node nanu remove ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ previous node na next field ಅನ್ನು ನಾನು null ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So that is can be explained by using this figure. Observe that this is the last node in this figure. In this figure linked list, fourth one is the last node, and naturally the next field in the last node is null, and in the third field it button should be 400. ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ null ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, third node will be the last node because the link between the third node and fourth node has been deleted. So that logic is like this. Store the start address in the external pointers, that is temp and previous. While temp next not equal to null, andre ಈಗ temp pointer and previous pointer. So if this is temp, until this temp pointer points to temp next points to null, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ ಬರೋವರೆಗೂ ಸಹಿತ ಈ ವೈಲ್ ಲೂಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So while doing this, I will assign the current content of the temp in previous pointer and updating the temp with next node's address. Updating the temp pointer with next node's address. So when the while loop is completed its execution, now the temp pointer is pointing to last pointer. P is pointing to the last but one. What I am doing is that I will update the next feed of the previous pointer as null. That is has been done here. Illi null anta ಮಾಡಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. Afterwards, I will remove the last node memory. That is, I will release the last node's memory by supplying the address of the last node to free function. So ಈ ಮೆಮೊರಿಯನ್ನ ಮೆಮೊರಿಯಿಂದ ನೋಡನ್ನ ಮೆಮೊರಿಯಿಂದ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. So this is the logic for deleting a node at the end. Now I will go for source code implementation in C language. This is function name delete at the last. Observe that I am declaring two more external pointer for the linked list. List is null, it is empty. So ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಟ್ರೂ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಮುಗಿದೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. But in many cases linked list is not empty. So this is the else part. I am storing the address of the first node which is available in start pointer in previous and temp. I will move to the last node by using while loop or any other your favorite loop by using the link logic temp next not equal to null. Update the temp with the next node's address. Before doing that, store the current temp address in previous pointer. So after the while loop, after this while loop, previous pointed to the last but one and temp is pointed to last node. Now previous node's next pointer is initialized with null value and the last node will be removed from the computer's RAM memory by sending the address to free function. So this is for deleting a node at the end of the linked list. So ಇದು ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗಿದು ಗ್ರಾಸ್ಪ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಡೀಪ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಒಂದಲ್ಲ ಎರಡಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಾರಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅದು ಕನ್ವಿನ್ಸ್ ಆಗೋರ್ಸಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕೋಡನ್ನು ರೀಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಅಲ್ಗಾರಿದಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ದ ಮೇನ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ದ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ದ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಆರ್ ಅಲ್ಗಾರಿದಮ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಾ ಏನು ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಅದನ್ನೇ ನೀವು ಜಾವಾದಲ್ಲೂ ಬರೀಬಹುದು, ಪೈಥಾನಲ್ಲೂ ಬರೀಬಹುದು, ಅಥವಾ C++ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಬರೀಬಹುದು, ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಗುಡ್ ಗ್ರಾಸ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಲ್ಗೋರಿದಮ್. ಏನು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. Then in which language you are going to implement it, that is second point. So according to syllabus we are using C language. Okay students, now I will conclude this video tutorial class. In the next video I will explain how the node is deleted at the intermediate position of the linked list. Thank you.